all who matter to this country, and they have honored their invitation. For that matter, we are using this opportunity to say thank you. We are grateful. It's a sign of our appreciation. This is great. This is something that is and it's so nice. It's a beautiful spectacle that our kids are starting to say we are grateful. Thank you to the minister, other dignitaries, the MP, located down and get them in the valley. It's a saying they are grateful. It's a saying they are grateful. It is the people of Anyako. It is the people of the Indians. Paramount Chief of Amuko Bego traditional area, Lufia of Anyako Konu, Anyako Konu, the distinguished invited guests, my sister from the Ministry of Water Resources and Sanitation, my brother Doctor from the Central Assembly, my brother Koku Anyidoho, from Anyako and Tanyigwe. The Honorable Municipal Chief Executives for Delta and Ketu South. Honorable Assembly members, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Akona mi be ba egbe me assembly kemen. Dukola be kolento kunye Vice President Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia ebe yaba tebe ya egbe hafi okure togwe kan oponu ga ke takpepe bibire leji ngiya da ewebe metenkele mi adomo ga ke edomi be mi ba no itebe da bieva temi odore enu medema probe enyira Anyako to menyo abeyo menya ora Anyako to menyo alebe mele Anyako Union meleho Anyako Union mi abe member do olefi ise wagba kule mi abe member do the Jokoto family the Menya family Abdra family, Atipo, a registrar, House of Chiefs, people in Ifafipo, people of fundraising their connection with the water challenges of Anyako. The Menyanu le Anyako be water challenges home. Abe Jirudula, we're doing our best to support, but we also are grateful to Togui and his chiefs for mobilizing to support government up to this stage. And we can only promise that the government will take over where they have reached, and as they have appealed to the ministry chair, IEG, Midibe Community Water Toy, Ghana Water Company, Tomia, Wododokolo, Aqua Belekenia, our chair, Wado, Apelesi Aleme. The Topi, Wobabiara, Minister for Water and Sanitation, and the Vice President, and I believe that within the shortest possible time, you see some action taking place here in Anyako. Jinudu yara mi wachi don gedo le Volta nutome. The Keta Water Expansion Project, which is costing us about 97 million euros. The Spanish debt swap water project around Go West, Agotimes Yope, and the likes around Ho. We provided water for Amejope, Shia, and many other communities in the water region. And recently, as was said, but in the speech of the Minister for Water and Water Resources and Sanitation, recently the President was in the region, and we commissioned the phase 3 of the 5 district water project. There are many water projects that are going on in the Volta region, and we believe that Anyako will never be left out. So we promise you, the people of Anyako, that we will do something to support your local initiative, and we shall carry it forward to make sure in the near future, every home, every area of Anyako will have potable water, because without potable water, we cannot have good health for the people. So we have, as a government, we have a policy of water for all, and we shall make sure that everybody within Anyako community, water gets to all. Thank you very much, and God bless us all. Economy.
Yehovah, Yehovah, lepe dobe yonyo ta. Amena Yehovah, Yehovah, lepe dobe yonyo ta. Kobiaji na miagbe, ewo mi ablode vivo, yatama. Thank you very much. Koku wama pauna kokulu, halama jaraba. Koku wama pauna kokulu majaraba. Amo eto yona. Amaleka makona pamia shiha shiana fufu apo tuko. Nyakwa nyakata nyatui. Minister penao. This morning, I understand. Today is Thursday. Cabinet meeting days. Because I've been in cabinet before, thanks to President Mills. The president, His Excellency Nanado, is not in the country, so you can imagine the burden of the nation is on the shoulder of the vice president. Nametangaranya Tomeba, Dr. Minister, we win in Anamako, the Caribbean Yi Todia, Avaga Garanya Duma. Toby, me am your worker, Jidua, Abaka Yama, Aquacunadanami. Yamaroha Nyatawa. Ye what the shinu. Let get another if you are Kodia. I know the Cabaro, Yelova, Fima, Elegant to call. A Makuloka ahead of the minister, Gakamanyaba, the regional minister, Choafia, on behalf of the vice president. I can get another body. Konya de Cabaro, as you were programmed to Kuako. Let me walk a second. I Papa Papanami. Yahweh, God bless you.